Look at all of today's fun surprises.
Be ready!
Surprise! It's Romi and Lulu! I've got a giant surprise egg to give to Romi. Here you go, Romi. Aw, thanks. Oh no, it was a slime surprise egg. April Fools. Wow, it looks like there's something in the slime. I wonder what we're going to find. It's a pink puzzle piece. Let's stretch it to see how many puzzle pieces we can find. I think we found all the pieces. This slime is so fun to stretch. Let's count to see how many we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pink puzzle pieces. Oh man, Lulu got me so good with that slime prank. I made my own surprise egg to give to her. Here you go, Lulu. Thanks, Romi. Ah, it's another slime egg. You got me so good. It looks like this slime has some more surprises. Let's stretch it to see what we can find. Oh, cool! Our first surprise! It's another puzzle piece. Let's keep stretching to see what else we can find. We found another piece! All these pieces are yellow. Looks like we found them all. Let's count to see how many we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 yellow puzzle pieces. Hey, Romi. Hey, Lulu. I've got another surprise for you. Oh, I wonder what it is. Oh no, you got me again. It's blue slime this time. It looks like this slime is full of surprises. Let's see what we can find. Awesome! An orange puzzle piece. Let's see how many orange puzzle pieces we can find. We found all the orange puzzle pieces. Let's count to see how many we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We found 7 orange puzzle pieces. Hey Lulu. Hey Romi. I've got a giant surprise egg for you! Yippee! Oh no! You tricked me again! That egg was filled with orange slime. Let's stretch it to see if we can find any surprises. Oh, here's the first surprise. It's a green puzzle piece. Let's see how many green pieces we can find in the orange slime. Looks like we found them all. Let's count to see how many green puzzle pieces we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 green puzzle pieces. Here you go, Romy. Here we go. I got you again! That egg was filled with turquoise slime. I see some more surprises. Let's stretch the slime to see what we can find. It's a violet puzzle piece. Let's keep stretching to see what else we can find. Looks like we got them all. Let's count to see how many violet puzzle pieces we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 violet puzzle pieces. Cool dance, Lulu. Here's one last surprise egg. Let me guess. Oh, I knew it! Slime. It was full of yellow slime this time. I can see some more surprises. Let's stretch it to see what we can find. Oh, cool! I found a purple puzzle piece. It's full of them! Let's see how many we can find. Do you see any more surprises? Oh, we found the last surprise! Let's count to see how many purple puzzle pieces we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 purple puzzle pieces. We've found all these puzzle pieces in the slime surprise eggs. We've got pink, yellow, orange, green, violet, and purple. Let's see what we can build. Oh, cool, we built a rectangular cube. This cube has 6 sides. Let's decorate our cube with the leftover pieces. And now our masterpiece is complete.
Yay! Goodbye. Click that red button to subscribe.